YouTube, what's up guys? Back at it. 5 things I love about this Gallardo Spider. This is a beautiful car in balloon white. What a funny name. 5 things I love about this Spider. It's a 2008 Gallardo Spider Lamborghini. Lamborghini, the best of the best. Lamborghini, in my opinion, might be a little bit better than Ferrari. I love Lamborghinis. They're outrageous. They're nuts. They're crazy. This is no different. This grabs so much attention. The first thing I love, right off the bat, what do I love about this car? It's a Lamborghini. That's it. That's period. That's number one. I don't even really need to say much more. Anyone you talk to, like on the planet, besides like the 1% that's an actual car enthusiast, and you say, I have a Lamborghini, everyone knows what that is. The 1% of the Lamborghini, or the people that know what that is, they're gonna ask you what kind of Lamborghini it is. But everyone else is just gonna say Lambo, the guy's rich. That's it. Like everyone thinks that if you own a Lambo, you're rich. I've already been pulled or talked to twice. Someone came up and wanted to know, more about the car, asked what I did for a living. This isn't even my car. I've had this car for like 4 hours, 5 hours. It's not even my car. And someone already came up and said, what do you do for a living? How do you make your money? So first thing and foremost, it's a Lamborghini. You're gonna get attention if you want attention. It is an like the most pinnacle status symbol to say, I have a Lamborghini. I want one. I definitely want one. It will deliver on that. So it being a Lamborghini, I like how the Gallardo, it shouts that everywhere. Right here, Lamborghini. Right here, Lamborghini. Lamborghini, it's everywhere. The Raging Bull, I love this car. That's the number one reason. Very, very easy. It's a Lamborghini and it screams that it's a Lamborghini. Number one, clear and simple. Number two, this is a V10, 10 cylinders. 10, not 4, not 6, not 8, but 10 cylinders. Let's go ahead and start it up. We gotta start this up. Number two, this thing has a V10. I mean, come on. You gotta love the V10. Let's go hear all 10 of those cylinders fire. Oh, baby girl. I love the starters on this. No one ever really talks about how they sound when they start, but oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely the best. I love the 10 cylinders. They sound amazing. This, I believe, is a stock exhaust on it. Has not been modified yet. It still sounds amazing. It sounds so good when it's on the highway. 10 cylinders. I mean, reason number two, 10 cylinders, come on, a V10. So a Lamborghini with 10 cylinders, it's the best. I mean, naturally aspirated V10, come on, it's so good. Reason number three that I love this car. This car is a mid-engine. I showed you guys when I did the review video, it literally sits like here's the engine, like right there, mid-engine. It sits planted right in the car. It is 10 cylinders that sits immediately behind your ear, and you get to hear all 10 of those beautiful, glorious cylinders firing. I love the mid-engine. The handling on this car, the steering on this car is really good. It is very direct, heavy. You can feel every corner around it. The car, just with it being so planted and having the V10 and in the middle of the car, it just wants to go fast. It actually feels like it underperforms or doesn't handle that good when it's like under 100 miles an hour. Like it wants to go 100 miles an hour. Its happy place is at that triple figures. It just feels so much more planted when it's up to speed like that. It feels so much more in control. Now don't get me wrong, at low speeds it does feel really good, but at high speeds it just feels ultra stable. I remember driving my Huracan for the first time and I thought the same thing. I was like, this car feels so much more at peace and at home at like triple digits. Absolutely amazing. You can get trouble with these cars. But I love that it's mid-engine. Handling is so good on it. Car feels so planted. It looks so amazing. I love mid-engine cars. I currently own, I just thought of this, I own only mid-engine cars. I have a Lotus EVORA mid-engine, I have a Lotus ELISE mid-engine, and an MR2 mid-engine. That's crazy. I didn't even think about that. Currently I only have mid-engine cars. I want to add one of these. I should trade my whole fleet in for one of these. That's what someone was saying. But yeah, mid-engine, number three, very easy, very simple. Reason number four, this one might only be for me. I love the fact that it's a Spider. I love the fact that the roof comes off a lot. I think it actually looks good with the roof off. Really good with the roof off. And I think it looks pretty cool with the roof on. I love these little slats that it have right here. I think those look so cool when the soft top's on and it comes back right there. I actually think it looks really, really good. I showed you guys in the review video of me putting that up. It looks awesome. It looks so cool actually when the mechanism's putting itself on there. It's very expensive looking. Absolutely. I really do love that it's a convertible. In addition, with it being a Spyder, I love that they did the visor around the windshield black. I did that on my MR2 Spyder. Looks fantastic, especially with the solid white of the cars matching with the black brakes, the black gloss brakes, and then the windshield. Freaking phenomenal. Absolutely looks so beautiful. I love this car, and they did a really good job with the stitching of the seats, and these seats are really great as well. So reason number four, it's a Spyder and I love it. Okay, the final reason that I love this car, the very last reason that I love this car, I think it's pretty affordable for being a Lamborghini. These are about $100,000. They're about six figures, right around $100,000. You get a V10, you get a mid-engine, you get a Spyder like that, you get unprecedented Lamborghini-ness. Everyone knows, I mean, I'm telling you, everyone's gonna come up and say, what do you do for a living? You get the attention, you get the enjoyment of the car, and it's about six figures, 90 to like 130. That's where this car sits. I think it is worth it. I think in addition to this car will never depreciate. Maybe even it'll appreciate in time. It'll always hold its value, kind of sitting right around in that area. It might go down a little bit lower, but at the end of the day, this will always be a Lamborghini, and I think it's a good deal. I think that for the price, to get a Lamborghini at $100,000, that's pretty amazing. I've driven a few Ferraris. I like Lamborghini more than Ferrari. Ferrari's beautiful, but Lamborghini is sharp and mean and aggressive and the best of the best. It is a raging bull. It is not, it has horns. Like, this thing has horns. It is aggressive. It is not like a horse. It is absolutely amazing. I love Lamborghini, and I think for the price tag, it is worth it. I love Lamborghini Gallardo Spyder, or just Lamborghini Gallardos, for the price tag. I think that they are a good deal. I really truly do think that they're a good deal. There are many other YouTubers that have gotten famous off of using this car because it's exotic. It's a really good entry car to the exotics. It is a supercar. It's not a hypercar, but it is a supercar. It is an exotic, and for six figures, it's worth it. I love this car. I truly do. So those are the 5 reasons I love this car. If you can afford one, buy one. You can afford one, buy one. And at the end of the day, drive it, enjoy it, love it, all that, and just sell it if you don't want it anymore, because it'll hold its value. It'll never go away in value. This is an investment in happiness and an investment in yourself with this car. I love this car. It'll never depreciate. That's my last reason. So make sure to like, subscribe. I will be back with 5 things that I hate about this car. It's gonna be hard to make this video because I don't really hate anything about this car. It's gonna be funny, picky stuff, but make sure to come back for that video. See you guys then. Make sure to swing by Vehicle Finder down below. Josh, you're awesome. I love this car. Thank you, my man.